What's up guys, Martina here, and I am here today with my new shower kit system. So super excited. I was hoping for something with a little bit higher of pressure for my shower. So we have this new kit to definitely upgrade my current setup. It's a super modern looking shower system in itself. It's made of stainless steel. This is how the head of it looks. So it's gonna be a nice rainfall refreshing shower, and then it comes with a ton of extra pieces. This was very like snugly packed. I've already kind of taken a look at some of the bits in it, but we've got this like smaller attachment head, which I am so excited for. This is gonna be great for detaching. Usually I like pull my dogs into the shower to give them a little wash, so this little wand is gonna be so helpful for when I want to clean my dogs, or you know, get those harder areas to reach. Maybe you want to get your back. I think this hose piece will just be an excellent attachment as well. It's all very weighted. It being stainless steel, it's just high quality, and definitely just gonna upgrade the look of my bathroom as well. So you can see hot, cold panel there. And then you've got all your various attachments. I'm not gonna pull them all out. This is the kind of like matte black color. I do know there's a few other colors you can check out on the listing. I think they have a brass, they have like a brass bronze or something, I don't know, and a stainless steel kind of chrome as well. So check them out. All your attachments are in here. There's like hoses, tons of like instruction manuals, and then you've got the kind of hot water, cold water attachment there as well. I won't get too into that, but looks just like the listing, and has a ton of steps to make it a easy setup. Definitely check them out.